In 2017, a traumatic brain injury left me unable to walk, talk, or form short term memories. That's right. The girl who chatted it up, the girl with the sparkling and vivacious personality, flatline. I couldn't be with people, which I adore to be with people. I couldn't handle conversation. Any sound was excruciating. Bright lights couldn't do them either. And I couldn't take care of myself. So early on, I had the wherewithal to understand that I had a choice. I could choose to work on my physical recovery and see where I was in a year and make a decision on the rest of my life based on recovery at that level. Or I could just throw in the towel and be where I was and wonder what life would be like that. Well, I chose to reclaim my life. And it's the heartbeat of everything I do today. And in this accident, I hit my head on a mogul when I was out skiing, and the impact on the side of my head had profound impact, not just that day, not the day after, or the day after that, but on the third day following this massive hit to the head. And yes, I was wearing a helmet. The helmet saved my life. I'm certain of it. I couldn't walk. I couldn't talk. And I had zero short-term memory. And that's the impact that hit on the head did for me. Now, I decided to give myself a full year to my physical recovery and spend as much money as I needed to, because it didn't matter to me if I exhausted my resources if I didn't get well. So I gave myself that year to see where I could be. Could I be in my business again? Could I operate my marketing and my sales, my writing business? Or did I have to reinvent myself? So 10 months later, I was able to return to work. I was hired writing copy for IBM Watson Health. And that became the cognitive therapy I needed to continue rewiring the neural pathways. And slowly, bit by bit, I was able to rebuild my life. I was able to learn how to drive again. I was able to handle the stimulation of driving at night. I was able to go out and socialize with friends. Now there's a recovery period. There are other health issues that came about as a result that are still with me today. And people are surprised when they meet me and they don't believe what I've been through. And what I do today is a part of what I've been through. I don't wish a traumatic brain injury upon anyone, because it is a horrible thing to experience and it makes you dig deeper than you think you can dig. But through it all, I am a much better version of myself. And it has given me the ability to pivot in my career and to be able to do meaningful work and help people and companies across the globe. When it comes to burnout, I know what I'm talking about. When it comes to resilience, I am an expert. When it comes to overcoming adversity, hands down, I've got that covered. This experience has taught me something that I still use today, and it's part of my workshops and keynotes. Resilience isn't something you can push through. Resilience is the bridge between the traumatic event and the desired outcome. And today, I help leaders, teams, and individuals build resilience that works in real life.